Hi, I'm Rob Vogel, a project manager with Unity Homes. I've been with Unity for 8 years. Prior to that, I had my own construction business. One of the first steps along the process of starting out with the build contract is preparing the plans for permitting. And so we reach out to the local municipality to find what is required, and then we'll provide you with the documentation that you need to submit for your permit to the town. Typically, we get introduced to the builder, the local GC, early on in the process so that they are very familiar with our whole system and how we are going to work together. We'll go to them to determine where some of those penetrations are, maybe for the range hood or for the dryer, to see what's going to work best, and working with their HVAC contractor to determine where we're going to put those penetrations. Because we're off-site construction, we do all of those holes in the factory so that everything is tightly air sealed. If there's anything that's decided later, there can be additional penetrations made, but we try to take care of all that up front. Once we've raised the building, which depending on the size of the building can typically be 1 to 2 weeks for most Unity homes, at the end of the raising, the project manager will typically come and schedule a time to meet with the GC, and very often the clients are there. And we have a whole sign-off process so that we've covered everything on the checklist. And then typically I will walk through with the GC and point out all the penetrations so that they know exactly where we've planned the hose bibs and where the electrical is going to go through the wall. We'll look at areas where there's going to be drop ceilings that are going to be supplied by the general contractor. Basically answer any questions that they have and show them any differences in our system that they might not be accustomed to if this is their first Unity home. Typically, when we're doing the walkthrough with the general contractor, we'll try to schedule the blower door test at that same time. And this blower door test is really just a quality control test for us so that we know that we have not missed any of the potential air leaks. As a project manager, we're not on site that much. We're here, but depending where the project's located, we can be here when needed. But typically, we're here for that handoff and then maybe at the end of the project. But we're always available, which I think is one of the nice things. We're always a phone call or an email away, basically working on your dream home, and we want to keep that as fun as it can be.